Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I have big news for you. I just dropped my first studio fashion photography workshop. Loads of you have been asking me about different light setups, and I want to really show you that studio doesn't have to be scary or intimidating. I am going to be going through some of my favorite light setups that I've learned throughout the years. I am going to be talking about how to set up your camera, how to work with different modifiers, how to use flags, how to tether, all this good stuff. So here's a little preview of what's in store for you. I am Anita Sadowska, and this is my complete photography workshop. When I started photography as a young girl of just 16, I found studio so overwhelming and scary. I did not know how to use the lights, which kind of lights to use, how to plug in my camera, how to use it properly. It was just all so scary, and it was so hard for me to find information on how to take proper images without having to use 7,000 different lights. So in this workshop, I just want to show you that studio doesn't have to be hard or complicated. It can be quite simple, and with just 1 or 2 light setups, you can achieve really beautiful results. I am going to be teaching you everything that I've learned about studio photography over the years. I am going to be walking you through camera settings, studio setups, things like tethering, and how to use different modifiers. On top of that, I will be showing you my entire workflow, from importing the photos into Lightroom to editing them there, and then to editing skin in Photoshop. I'm going to be taking you through frequency separation, dodging and burning, and other things like, for example, cleaning up your background. As a bonus, you are going to have access to all the raw images from the workshop, so you can work along with me. I'm so happy to finally share this workshop with you, to show you everything that I know about studio photography, show you that it doesn't have to be scary or intimidating, and you can create your own beautiful images. I hope you are as excited about it as I am. It's been a long time in the making, and I can't wait to share it with you. As a way of saying thank you to all my wonderful subscribers, I would like to offer you guys 30% off for the next 48 hours on the workshop, and I will see you in the next video.